Loving you was easy. Loving you was wild, unpredictable. Loving you was awful, but somewhere in the end it was beautiful. I can't say no when you get close, but I lose myself when I'm alone. In my room, missing you, got the TV loud. You still feel it with noise when you're not around. You're out of my hands, I can't let go tonight. You're out of my hands, I'm out of my head. Try to be cold, but you know me the best. Ready to blow like I'm dynamite, but I can let go if I see you tonight. If I see you tonight, if I see you tonight, if I see you tonight, if I see you tonight. Hating you is hard, harder than I'll ever let you know. Hating you is awful, 'cause I still care about you more than most. I can't say no when you get close. I lose myself